Rahim. Alhamdulillah, salatu wassalam, rasulillah. In this today, inshallah, I have attempted to make some mnemonics and memorizing what's on page 69 over here. And this is about jam'a. There's two types of jam'as, as we know. There's jam'a khilla, and there's jam'a kasir. So there's jam'a khilla. It's a terrible khilla, like this. Khillat, jama khillatin, okay, which this refers to numbers 3 to 10 in number, okay. So this group of plural words refer to numbers between 3 to 10, and jama kasir refers to kasir, oh goodness sake, kasirun refers to any numbers greater than 3 without any restrictions. So this is restricted plural, and this is unrestricted plural, okay. So that's they're like a whole bunch of awzaan that they come in. So this mnemonic is trying to help us memorize this. So there are two separate mnemonics over here. The first one is over in this side over here, okay. So in this mnemonic, what's happening here is there is a ghulam here. There's a ghulam, which means a boy. So the idea here is to memorize these words, and from these words you can gather the awzaan, okay. So these vocabulary words we have to memorize. Ghulamun, ghilmatun. Ghulamun is a boy, ghilmatun are boys, between 3 and 10 boys, okay. Ghulamun, ghilmatun. So there's a ghulam, a boy, he's eating something. See, he's eating some food. Ta'amun is food, okay. And at'imatun, ta'amun, at'imatun. He's that's the singular and plural. At'imatun. So I guess plural, food, and 3 to 10 in quantity, I mean not a lot of food. So the ghulam, ghulamun, ghilmatun, ta'amun, at'imatun. And this boy is over here sitting and he's thinking, right? He's thinking that, what is he thinking? Thinking qilla, meaning that's small. I don't have a lot of food, he's thinking. What he's thinking, there's a jim for jama khilla. So these are the jama khilla mnemonic, okay? So he's thinking that I don't have a lot of food. So ghulamun ghilmatun ta'amun at'imatun, okay? And he's thinking and saying something to himself. So qawlun is a statement, right? So this is this. He's making a statement. Let me put that like this. So he's making a statement to whom? To himself. So he's making a statement to himself. Khawlun akhwalun, nafsun anfusun. So ghulamun, ta'amun, khawlun, nafsun. Those are the 4 awzaan that jama khilla often come. So ghulamun, ta'amun, khawlun, nafsun. So ghulamun ghilmatun, ta'amun at'imatun, khawlun akhwalun, nafsun anfusun. So if you know these, then we can derive the awzaan of the jama khilla. For example, the af'alun. So khawlun akhwalun. So you have akhwalun. That's af'alun, like this, okay. So that's the awzaan, okay. And then nafsun anfusu, okay. Anfusu is af'ulun, okay. And then ghulamun is ghilmatun, fi'latun. That's this one over here. And ta'amun at'imatun, af'ilatun, okay. So these are the common awzaan. So ta'amun at'imatun, af'ilatun, ghulamun ghilmatun, fi'latun, khawlun akhwalun, af'alun, nafsun anfusun, af'ulun, okay. So if we know these words, then we can get the awzaan. So again, this boy is sitting having some food. Ghulamun ghilmatun. He's eating food. طعام أطعمة. He's thinking to himself. This is food is قلة, جمع قلة. And he's saying قول أخوال, and he's saying that to himself. Nafsun anfusun. So if you memorize those, then we can get the awzaan. Okay, the next mnemonic has 10 for Jama Kasir. Jama Kasir refers to numbers greater than 3 and unrestricted plural. So that's first category was restricted plural, and this is unrestricted plural. There's 10 awzaans that are given to us over here. Okay, so let's see if we can derive these 10 awzaans from the mnemonic we have. So Ghulamun was a boy again, right? So Ghulamun, Ghilmatun was one plural, so which was a plural kasir. So Ghulamun and Ghilmatun, right? But Ghulamun, Ghilmanun is a jama kasir, means lots of boys. Okay, so that plural would be Ghilmanun would be like let's put it over here. Ghilmanun, okay, Fi'lanun, right? Ghilmanun. Okay, فعلان, like this. Okay, so غلام غلمان فعلان. Okay, that's this. And then this boy is on a bed over here. You can see he's on a bed over here because he's marid. He's maridun. He's sick. So he's sick. Maridun marda. This is jama kasir. Many marid. Marda. Okay, marda. Okay. So that is fu'la. So that's fu'la. Fu'la. Fu'la, like this. That's like this. Fu'la. Maridun marda. Okay. Khadim. So this ghulam, this boy was marid, was a khadim. He was a servant. Okay. Khadimun khuddam. So this is fu'alun. Khuddam. فعال فعال خدام. Okay, خادم خدام. So this غلام and poor boy is sick, maybe he didn't get enough food. غلام غلمان مريض مرضى خادم خدام خادم خدام. Okay, and who comes to visit him? We can't draw a rasul, right? So I just put this dotted thing because you can't draw any stuff like that. You can imagine some rasul came to meet him. Rasulun rusulun fu'ulun fu'ulun fu'ulun. This is another one. Rasulun rusulun. Okay, and then there's nabiyun anbiya'u. Nabiyun anbiya. Rasul, who's a nabi. Anbiya'u. Af'alun. Okay, so af'ila'u. 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 Okay. Nabiyun anbiya'u. Rasulun rusulun. Fu'ulun. Okay. Af'ila. Okay, this is af'ila'un. Okay, like that. Who's also considers himself an abdun. Okay, is a slave. And ibadun. Fi'alun. Fi'alun. Okay. Abdun ibadun. Okay. So this غلام غلمان مريض مرضى خادم خدام. This غلام who is marid, who is a servant, خادم, he got sick, see, and who comes to visit him? Rasulun rusulun nabiyun anbiya'u abdun ibadun. Okay. Along with him come some alimun, people who are knowledgeable people. Alimun ulama'u fu'ala'u. So here's fu'ala'u. Fu'ala'u. Okay, we got that. Fu'ala'u. Alimun ulama'u. Okay, and then there's some students come over here too. See, here's the students. See, you want to see the students over here? Okay, talibun talabatun. Okay, talibun talabatun. So this is fa'alatun. Fa'alatun. So fa'alatun. Okay, so talibun talabatun. And these students, they were just a small group or sect of the students. You can see they're a small sect. Firqatun, firaqun. Okay, fi alun, fi alun. Okay, fi alun. Firqatun, firaqun. Okay, so that's firqatun firaqun. That's double shit. Okay, so that's that. And finally, they're all here, and they're outside. The kid is outside, and there are lots of stars here. See, there's lots of stars, like tiny stars over here. Okay, najmun nujumun. So this is najmun. There's a lot of stars. Najmun nujumun. Nujumun is fu'ulun. Fu'ulun. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There are 10 awzaans that are over here. So if you memorize these words, then you know the awzaan jama kasir. How do you remember this is jama kasir? Because there's a kasir stars. There's lots of stars here. Kasirun. Okay, all right. So if you memorize this vocabulary set, this will give you all the awzaan for jama kasir. Again, غلام غلمان مريض مرضى خادم خدام رسول رسل نبي أنبياء عبد عباد. Okay, and then عليم علماء طالب طلبة طالب طلبة. Okay, فرقة فرق. Okay, فرقة فرق. And finally, najmun nujumun. Najmun nujumun. If you memorize these words, these 10 words, they'll give you 10 awzan. Okay, غلام غلمان مريض مرضى خادم خدام رسول رسل نبي أنبياء عبد عباد عليم علماء طالب طلبة فرقة فرق نجم نجوم. This is awzan of Jama Kasir. I hope this mnemonic helps. The first one for Jama Khilla and second for Jama Kasir, inshallah. Alhamdulillah. Let me just do this here. Zoom out just a little bit so we can get all of them in one page. Alright, so inshallah that helps. As-salatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Alhamdulillah. Assalamu alaikum.